How to add video with text to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So in this case, we're just going to add a video, and on top of it, there's going to be some text. So this is going to be what we're going to be covering. So firstly, just log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store and select your theme. Click on the three dots right next to Edit Theme and click on Edit Code. So once that loads up, we're just going to be able to find the sections option here. Make sure you click on it, the entire thing, it's highlighted, and click on Add New File. Now you can just feel free to name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it video-text. Just make sure to end it with .liquid like the other files around it and hit enter. Once that's done, it's just going to open up here for you, and you simply just want to go down to the description, copy the code that you're going to be able to find, and paste it in here. Once you do that, you simply just want to click on save, and once it's fully saved, you simply just want to go back to your Shopify admin. Now all you need to do really just go to your Shopify store and click on Edit Theme, the same one that we just added the code to. And you're just going to find where you actually want to add it. I'm just going to add it in here. So just add section, and you should be able to find video overlay banner. And if you click on that, you're just going to be able to paste in your MP4 URL, which is basically what you can basically find it within Shopify. You can upload any video that you want in here. If you just go to content, files, you can just feel free to upload any MP4 file in here, and simply click on copy link afterwards, and this is the link that you will use. And once you add your video, you're just going to be able to change the color scheme of it. You can change the section heights to small, medium, or full screen. You also have the ability to change the overlay darkness, whether you want it to be more or less, it's up to you. And you also are just going to be able to obviously adjust the text on the video. So the heading here and also the normal text, and on top of that you can feel free to change the colors for them. So if you do this is going to change the header text color, and also this is going to change the body text color, as you can see. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.